I'm making a little video because everybody's saying that I need to make more videos, so I'm trying. And I'm turning the camera sideways too. So I'm in Ashburn, Georgia, and I used to come here when I was delivering the mail, but I always stayed in the motel across the street, and I know there's a big dirt lot back there too. But they just built this truck stop. It's brand new. So I said, well, if I'm in this area again, I'll come here. So I came last night, never been here before, and all of the spots are blind side, and it was pretty full, but there was still a good amount of spots left, but I didn't realize they were all blind side till I got in here, and they're super narrow too. So I set up, and I could not get between these two owner-operators, but I really needed to stop. And I didn't want to go over to the dirt parking lot because it was going to be hard to get across the street the way they designed the new lane over there. They made it so you can only turn. Anyways, it's going to be hard to get straight across. So I came back around for a second round like a shark swimming for its prey. And this owner-operator pulled out. And this other owner-operator turned his lights on and started coming towards me. And he came up and he said, "Do you need help backing in?" And I said, "Yes, I do," because it was a blind side and my eyes were tired and I'd never been here. And I want to show you this. I showed this in another video recently. See this island they put? So not only is it blind side, it has this concrete median in the middle where people park so that when you parked at night, you can't get out in the morning. But also it has that kind of big berm, so when you're trying to blindside, if you're not set up just perfect, then you're going to hit that and your tires, and you can see the tire marks. Anyways, I did get in with his help. It took a while, and the headlights sure helped me, and he was so nice to help me. And the squeeze between me and him, I mean, I said, "These are tight spots, aren't they?" And he said, "Yeah, but you're a truck driver, so you can get it in." So it's like, okay. So I'm so close to him, he could barely get into his door. And this other little truck that's here on the side, I don't know if you can see it. I mean, so tiny. Little space back there. But the point of this video is, if somebody comes up and offers you help, graciously accept it. Don't have a chip on your shoulder. Earlier in the day, I had to go to a Sprouts facility, and a guy got out and said, "Would you like me to help?" Because it was another tight dock. I said, "Sure." So sometimes the information they're giving you is not helpful. Like they're telling you to bring it in, and you're not really at the right angle, and then all of a sudden you see the look in their eyes and they're like, "Wait, stop." You got to kind of at some point say, "Okay, I know how to do this. Let me trust my own instincts." But sometimes when it's you can use a little bit of your own judgment, and you can use a little bit of their eyesight to see, just say, "Am I hitting anything?" or whatever, and just know somebody's back there that's going to start waving their arms and go, don't go any further." Okay, so that's my educational video for today. I'm going to finish my coffee and head out. Have a good day. Be safe.